Hi, I'm Andy Tribute. I run a company called Attributes Associates, and I'm a consultant, and I'm also a relatively well-known journalist in this industry. IPEX is a very interesting show because it's giving us an opportunity to see whether we are coming back into the industry moving forward. But the key things in many ways is this is a show to allow printers to assess how the industry is changing and how they've got to change. So I think the most important things in many ways are some of the web-to-print applications, which allows printers to rebuild their business structure to deal better with their customers, to make it easier for them to work with and to differentiate themselves from the traditional printer who only sells on price. So it's a case for them to build a new business or structure in terms of showing what printing is for the future, which is basically a communications industry that works with multiple types of media rather than just print. So that's, I think, one of the key things to look at. But then we're seeing new developments to allow companies to change their business models. So, for example, you're seeing a lot of the new high-speed inkjet presses, which are allowing organizations like publishers to rethink how they go about book printing in terms of the costs now are such that this eats into the offset production capabilities. So a book publisher can now think in terms of printing much shorter runs at economic prices without having to build inventory up, and therefore changing their model to actually work without having to have a lot of inventory tied up and a lot of capital tied up. So there's that. So these are, I think, the key things, and also more and more the spread of digital moving into different areas with the web-to-print applications, which is moving print from being a business-to-business to a business-to-consumer, where you're creating new opportunities for new types of print, where you're bypassing the traditional roles and you're going straight to the end user of print and allowing them to specify what's important and how they want to go about things.